Hello DIY Glamettes, and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you a glam DIY using mirrored mosaic tiles, caulk, spray paint, and glitter. Now if that sounds interesting, stay tuned. Remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, let's get this DIY started. Now this is a large cafe sheds Nino painting. I actually thrifted this painting here, you guys, for $3.99, and I bought it for the sole purpose of revamping it. So I'm going to take this painting. I'm going to be using my Rust-Oleum 2x the coverage ultra cover gloss in the white. We're going to paint this painting, and once I get it painted, because it's going to take a couple coats, I'm going to come back and let you see what it looks like, and we're actually going to get this revamp started. Here's what my painting looks like. Now I'm just taking this bathroom caulk, and this came from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to actually dress this painting up using a lot of this caulk. And as I'm adding in the caulk, here on my screen, I'm going to let you see where my inspiration came from. And I'm just going to be taking the caulk, and I'm going to pull 3 different designs off of my inspiration piece to actually add into my piece. But I'm just adding my caulk, and you guys, I cannot draw in no way, shape, or form. And my circles is off, but this is a dry run for another project. And I'm just creating my circles, and I'm going to create the circles, and I'm going to be using my caulk to actually create 3 to 4 different designs here on my painting. So make sure you follow me along to see how we got this piece to come out. And if you're watching and you're not a family member of the Glam Queen of DIY, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you do tap that bell twice, and your notifications is set to all. Then you'll know every time that we are uploading a video. And 2, if you're not a part of our other channels, make sure you subscribe to the Glam Queen of Decor and the Glam Queen of DIY. Thank you. And what I'm doing here, I'm rubbing this in with this little tiny brush, and it's actually creating a grubbed like groove look, and you're going to get to see that again close up. But that's all I'm doing. I'm just creating a different look with that caulk. Alright you guys, I have painted the picture after I've created my different designs in it. I wanted to show you this process, but it was raining here in my area. I will let you see it on the next one. Now these circles I wasn't pleased with, but I'm going to improve on that in the next picture. But this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be adding some of that Diflart Velvet Edge Mirrored Backsplash mirrored tile to the pieces, and I'm going to be also using my mirrored mosaic tile. And as you can see, I have the squares laying in place on some of it. And I'm going to just dress this up, and this is what that sheet and how it comes, you guys. Now look at the beautiness of this mirrored backsplash. So we're going to be doing this. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my mirror mosaic tile, then I'm going to come back and put in that backsplash mirror as well. I'm going to let you see me put in a few pieces of this mirror mosaic tile as well as that velvet edge backsplash mirror tile as well. And this is what it looks like close up, everyone. This is the look I'm going for with that mirror tile. This is going to be lovely. I'm going to just do that mosaic tile in that little center portion, and that backsplash tile is going to go on that outside portion. But this is looking beautiful already. And to everyone, I'm dropping my Diflart information down in the description box if you would like to purchase some Diflart mirror tiles. And they have more than mirror tiles, you guys. Make sure you hit that link, and they do sell through Amazon as well. So use my code so you can get your 15% off. And you guys, when I started adding in that backsplash towel, I had to play with it to get my rhythm going on how I wanted to do it. Originally, I was going to just lay the whole strip down, but that didn't work. It was going to require me to use a massive amount of glue because that frame is dipped. Then I just broke off the individual pieces and I was gluing them one by one, which was still the same thing. And you're going to see I come up with a solution that works better for me. I just broke the pieces and laid them down, and I glued them down silicone style. So I'm going to give you a close-up of that, and just follow me along as we lay all of these tile onto the edging of this frame. And in doing this process, you guys, this is where I came up with the idea to silicone the pieces in or encase it. Because when you use silicone, you put your pieces down and you apply your silicone and you smooth it out to lock it in place. So that's where I got this idea. So I'm going to let you see me now complete this in a way faster way. So that is a tip if you're using these and you want to use them individually. If you do it silicone style, it will actually allow you to lay out more and get more done at a quicker pace. this is the look of the completed piece, and I'm actually going to hang it on the wall and let you see what it looks like. But I hope you can see here's the glitter, those line details, the blotches, the brushed, and the circles. I promise you guys, the camera is not showing you the true meaning of how this piece looks, but I'm going to display it for you to see what it looks like complete. And here it is hanging, and I'm telling you guys, it is so gorgeous. I told you I was not happy with those circles. Those I'm going to take off and redo, because I'm going to actually take this up a notch so you see where this technique was put into action at. And drop me a comment if you like this video. Tell me what you liked about it. I appreciate your support so very much. And remember, if you haven't subscribed to the Glam Queen of DIY, the Glam Queen of Decor, and Glam Queen Unboxing, hit that subscribe button now. And you know your girl can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive, so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed, and always stay positive.